Hi, I'm Karen, and welcome to my garden. I wanted to use gardening as a metaphor for effective holistic leadership. So we have a situation here where we've got a garden bed that has been planned out very intentionally to have healthy plants and to look a certain way. This is very similar to what you might have in an organization where you have a strategic objective and priorities that you're working toward to implement something important within your business. So if we look closely at the detail, we've got all these beautiful plants here, and right here we've got a patch of weeds that are not part of the plan. They're not a part of the intention. So what happens in businesses is that people get so busy doing all of their tasks that they forget or lose sight of their strategic objectives and forget about the plan for the garden, and they start doing tasks and they don't realize that they're weeds. So what you need to do is be able to slow down long enough to take a look at what you're doing and say, okay, what are the true priorities and what are actually weeds that we need to get rid of and take out of the garden so that we don't waste our time nourishing something that's not a part of what we're creating with our business. So what I want you to do is take some time for yourself to think about what the tasks are that you're doing that may be weeds and what are actually a part of the plan for the garden of your business.